We've got a huge grizzly in the shop to show you today. This kind of grizzly. In bulk material handling, a grizzly is a heavy-duty grid placed over top of a hopper to control what drops through and what stays out. It acts like a rugged screen, letting smaller material pass through while stopping oversized pieces. And, of course, the spacing of the holes determines what gets through and what doesn't. While some grizzlies are stationary, this one is hydraulically actuated. Hydraulics lift the whole table up at an angle, dumping material that's caught on the grizzly into the lump chute. Here's a shot of the two lump chutes for this project. Because the hopper and grizzly assembly is quite high, these lump chutes safely guide material down into a bin below. We've also got baffles inside of the chutes so that they absorb some of the energy and slow material down so that it's less of an impact on the bins below. We're a design build shop, so work starts with the engineering department. All of this is our own engineering and design. With drawings approved, work starts to hit the floor. We're fabricating the frames in one section of the shop, and work is beginning on the grid section in another. The units are assembled, and the hydraulic pack is installed, and it's time for testing. The entire team did a fantastic job on this piece of equipment, and it just works flawlessly. You can see the pace of operation. To condense the video, I'll speed this up a little bit. This is a good example of the type of work we do, the design build of bulk material handling product, basically taking it from a customer requirement through to a high quality piece of equipment. Here's some shots of the finished product installed. Our scope of work included the design build of the grizzlies, the hoppers, the supporting structure for the hoppers, the conveyor, the feeders, and the lump chutes, yet to be installed. We love turning bulk material handling requirements and challenges into high quality equipment. Please reach out if we can help, and thanks very much for watching.